Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2021, on a 21 plate Toyota Aygo X-Clusiv. This is the 1 litre petrol with an automatic gearbox and 5 doors, finished in Scarlet Flare metallic with the red roof and black roof and black mirror cap, should I say, and it's covered just 11,000 miles. So I have a good walk around this very low mileage, top of the range Aygo automatic. Ever so popular with us, the Aygos, and the automatic ones even more so. Really good looking 5-door automatic hatchback. August 2021 registered. It's covered just 11,000 miles from 2 owners. 3 services recorded, so really well maintained throughout its life despite the very low mileage. We've got those lovely 15-inch diamond cut alloy wheels that are in excellent condition. Really looks a classy thing in this dark red metallic with the black roof and mirror caps. £195 a year to tax. Very low insurance group, excellent fuel consumption, well over 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run. So it ticks all the boxes if you're after a small auto. And it's got a lovely level of specification as well. Front and rear parking sensors. You get that metallic paint, you get those upgraded diamond cut alloy wheels, keyless entry. And then as we come inside, you've got a full leather interior that's in excellent condition. All the door cards in good shape. Remote locking, and it does come supplied with 2 remote keys, electric front windows, electronically adjustable door mirrors, steering wheels all in really good order, and on there you've got controls for your Bluetooth, you've got your lane assist, you've got your radio controls. I'm going to shouting at me, so let's start the car up. You've got flappy paddles if you want to change gear in a sort of racing fashion. Automatic lights, there's your mileage, 11,179. Manual handbrake, there's your auto gearbox. Down below we've got 12-volt socket, USB with auxiliary input, a couple of cup holders. In the glove box all your handbooks. Up above you've got climate control as opposed to just standard air conditioning. And then up onto your infotainment system, you've got a push button to start the car, you've got DAB digital radio, and then you've got Apple CarPlay, which is through a USB, and Android Auto, so you can do that through there. You've got Bluetooth for your telephone, and if I put the car into reverse, along with the parking sensors front and rear, you've got a nice big reversing camera at the back as well. So really nice place to be. Good to have all this specification as well. Privacy glass in the back, and then into the rear. Again, lovely condition. Not sure all the back's ever seen people, to be honest, but it's got 2 headrests for 2 seat belts, ISOFIX for the child seats, pop out rear windows, and then round to the boot space. Split folding rear seats, we've got a parcel shelf at the top, and then a very usable boot space down below, and the luxury these days of a spare wheel. So there we have it, August 2021 Toyota Aygo X-Clusiv, finished in this lovely Scarlet Flare metallic with black roof. 11,000 miles from 2 owners, 3 services recorded. Got those lovely diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, full leather interior, Apple CarPlay, reversing camera, lane assist, Bluetooth digital radio, climate control, everything you could ever want, and of course the automatic gearbox. Finance is available from less than £240 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT along with 2 keys, plus our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Lovely example, If you're after a high-spec, small automatic, they won't come much better than this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.